Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1200 and the Genesis EX-325S. Big difference in price, right?
Definitely. The Q1200 is around $259, and the Genesis, well, it's unavailable right now, but usually goes for much more, over $1,200.
Yeah, huge jump. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Size and features, mainly. The Q1200 is portable, only 30 pounds, with a small 189 square inch cooking area, great for tailgating. The Genesis EX-325S is a beast at 188 pounds, with 861 square inches of cooking space. It's a full-sized grill.
Wow, that's a big difference in cooking area. So the Genesis is for bigger cookouts?
Exactly. And it has 3 burners compared to the Q1200 single burner. More control over the heat, and a dedicated sear zone for getting that restaurant-quality crust on your steaks. Plus, it has Weber Connect smart technology, which is pretty cool.
Smart technology on a grill? What does that even do?
It gives you real-time temperature alerts on your phone, tells you when to flip and serve food. Basically, it takes the guesswork out of grilling, though some reviews say the smart features are still a little basic.
Interesting. Is it worth the extra money?
Depends on your needs. The Q1200 is perfect if you need something portable and simple. It's a great little grill for smaller meals. But if you're regularly grilling for a crowd, want more features like the sear zone and smart tech, and aren't moving it much, the Genesis is the way to go when it's back in stock.
Okay, so portability versus features and space. What about fuel?
Both are liquid propane, but the Q1200 uses those small disposable cylinders, while the Genesis uses a standard 20-pound tank.
Right, that makes sense, given their sizes. Anything else that stands out?
The Genesis has expandable top cooking grate, Weber-crafted system for different cooking styles, and an extra-large prep table. The Q1200 has folding side tables and electronic ignition.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Q1200 for now. Portability is key for me, and I don't usually cook for huge crowds.
Sounds like a good fit. It's a solid little grill, and you can always upgrade later if your grilling needs change.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.